The Chief Executive Officer of the Africa International Housing Show, Festus Adebayo, paid a strategic visit to the facility of Royal Ceramic. The visit focused on strengthening partnerships within Nigeria's housing and construction sector while showcasing locally manufactured building materials driving affordable housing nationwide. The major highlight of the visit was the unveiling of the company's latest locally produced marble tiles engineered and processed in Nigeria using indigenous raw materials. According to Franklin Jose, the managing director of West African Ceramics Limited, WACL, core materials such as limestone, marble chips, clay, and other aggregates are sourced from different parts of the country, contributing to local value addition and reducing reliance on imported finishes.
So what's happening in the area? What are your new products?
There's a lot of change, in the last one and a half year. We have been working on quite a few things. We have invested on technology, we have invested on sourcing raw material in a sustainable way. And just in the last few months, we have launched quite a lot of new products. So our core focus has been to become more affordable by becoming more competitive. So we have invested a lot of money on national capability building, continuous improvement programs, so that the more we become affordable, the more we are able to reach the market, and at the same time make housing in general affordable. What we have also worked on is on good packaging, on good logistics and supply chain arrangements. It has been a day of the past where a customer used to pay and wait for a very long time.
Okay.
Now it's just a wait of 1 week, 2 weeks, that they can pick the goods, which also means we have done better in terms of the capacity that we work on. So it has been a great year for us last year, and we are sure that we'll continue the good work in 2026. Just last month, we have also launched some new sizes, as you can see here. These are 30-120. And these are 20-120. We launched both of them both in RCT as well as VID, which is basically means it is for the floor as well as for the wall. Still the best quality product that can be available in the market and continue to be innovative. We always say that our wood finish is so good that somebody who is trying to use a real wood, instead of using a real wood, they should rather use a tile to be more sustainable. The same thing is here, the one that you see down, it's called Traventino. These are replica of Italian marbles. You see in some good properties even in Abuja, which used to be imported once upon a time. Now it can be bought locally. So when people source locally, it is even better, not only for the company, but also as a country.
The MD noted that beyond production, the company plays a significant role in job creation, skills transfer, and strengthening Nigeria's building material supply chain.
You have been partners for over the years. Mm-hmm. We are 20, and our 20 years is for celebrating our partners.
Sure.
And one of the areas is that those who have been doing products, manufacturing their products locally, I need to confirm for you. Your products, do you import them?
No, not at all.
You don't import?
No.
Royal Ceramic don't import.
The only thing that we import is like what we call as pigments or consumables.
So all these things are in Nigeria?
Yes.
Where do you get them in Nigeria?
Across Nigeria.
Across Nigeria.
But primarily we try to focus that we get it maximum close from the factory area to keep the environment more sustainable and also help the community where we work in. West Africa Ceramics has always been very focused on community development. We have built churches, schools. Just last year, we did a complete electrification project of Babatunga community in Suleja. In Suleja. We did a complete water facility set up in Ajikota, giving, water source to the community. So, obviously, when we do that outside our business, within our business, we have to work on a much more sustainable manner. So now we try to source as much as possible within the Kogi belt.
In his remarks, Festus Adebayo commended the company's effort in modern manufacturing and its contribution to reducing construction costs across housing projects. Discussions during the meeting also centered on the upcoming AIHS 20th edition, a milestone event expected to bring together policymakers, developers, investors, and manufacturers from across Africa and beyond.
20 years of Africa International Housing Show, we consider it necessary to celebrate our partners who have been with us over the years. Royal Ceramic, West African Ceramic, remained one of them. For many years, these highly respected tile manufacturers have been sourcing all its products, almost 95%, from Nigeria. And this is one of the pillars of Africa International Housing Show. For us in Africa International Housing Show, we consider it a responsibility to promote local building materials where we don't depend so much on importation. And that is what Royal Ceramics has been known for. So we are happy to be with you. What will you say? What will you say about Africa International Housing Show at 20?
I mean, we are very excited because, as you may know, that we celebrated our 30 years last year.
Royal is 30.
Yes.
Oh,
So, we don't want to call ourselves but as a big brother, but rather want to give AIHS to be as our big brother and, helping, the industry. But I think AIHS has played a very important role, to formalize the industry, to bring the stakeholders together. People outside may not realize how difficult it is, but it is not easy. It is not easy. It is tough to get everybody on board. And this platform that is displayed, I mean, it's a great opportunity, the way I see it, for not only us, but all factories in the country who want to present, what they produce to the global audience. And I'm sure it will reach to a stage where Nigeria will stand tall within Africa, and we will not only manufacture and supply for the Nigeria market, but we will export, and AIHS will play a very important role and a platform to be able to do that.
The visit underscores the growing synergy between Nigeria's housing exhibition platforms and indigenous manufacturing companies, a partnership seen as critical to bridging the nation's housing deficit. As preparations continue for AIHS at 20, stakeholders say collaboration, innovation, and local production will remain central to shaping the future of housing in Nigeria and across Africa.
Visit Housing TV Africa on YouTube and click on the subscribe button. Subscribe to Housing TV Africa to stay updated on latest happenings in Nigeria's housing sector. Follow our social media pages, like and share our posts. On Facebook, Housing TV Africa. On Twitter, Housing TV Africa. Instagram, Housing TV Africa. Join the conversation and keep up with latest housing updates.